bouquet of flower. Courtesy of Sir Fidel. Alright. So, sige. Kira niyo muna si Miss Emma.
Hey guys, ang Fatherland and Cinemas na po ngayon. Excited na po ako. It's actually my first time na makikita siya ng buong buo. So sana excited rin kayo. Let's all enjoy.
Is there a small hint? What is your role in this movie?
Ang role ko dito is as Janet. So, girlfriend ng character ni Alex, played by Inigo Pascual. So, tinutulungan ko siya dito sa kanyang goal na mahanap ang kanyang tatay sa Pilipinas. So,
He's his character.
So, what do we...
One of Alan's characters.
One of Alan's characters.
Yes.
So, what do we have to expect from the movie? Of course, you're not going to spill any beans,
I
right?
think ang sasabihin ko dyan is, panoorin na lang natin.
Yun. Is there anything that you want to say to our friends here this afternoon?
I want to thank everybody for making the time to come here and attend our premiere. And I hope to invite everybody out there to please come and watch Fatherland, directed by Joel Amaman, starring Alan Tizon, Inigo Pascual, and a powerhouse cast. And I'm so honored to be a part of this cast as well. And thank you, everybody.
All right, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen, the internationally acclaimed actress, the one and only Miss Max Again. Palakpakan lang po rin natin. Who's now are into acting as well. Before Nella Dingzon and Felicia Dingzon, the daughters of Mr. Alan Dingzon. All right, would you mind introducing on which is which?
Hello po everyone, good afternoon. Thank you for coming this afternoon. Ako po si Nella Dizon. Good afternoon everyone, I am Felicia Dizon and thank you for coming. I hope you support Fatherland.
Are you ladies twins? No. Are you twins? They look like twins. Is it just me? Right. But anyhow, so would you want to invite our friends here this afternoon to watch the Fatherland movie as well? Again?
And again, thank you everyone for coming today. We're really here to support our dad, of course, especially dahil alam namin this is such a great movie din. And because dahil nakita namin trailer, parang nakaka-amaze na parang it's gonna be particularly difficult, pero alam namin that Daddy will always do his best and magaling siya lagi sa movie na to. Yun lang po, and I hope all of you will enjoy the movie as well. Thank you!
Please watch Fatherland, showing on cinemas now.
Ricky Mendaga. The timeless.
Oh,
Ricky Nick, good afternoon. So nice to see you guys here. So, all right. Before anything else, picture mo na sila. All right. All right. How was your Easter, guys?
Oh, it was eventful. Yes. But taking it a day at a time.
All right. So, is there anything that you would want to say to the friends here that we have right now?
Just thank you for attending the premiere of Fatherland. Ricky May and I are here to, of course, support Ara for this film, and everybody else is in it. Of course, with Direct Joel Amaman, one of my favorites. I hope that you enjoy it at sana tangkilikin natin ang Fatherland.
yung sinabi po niya, yun din po ang gusto kong sabihin. Maraming salamat po at sana mag-enjoy po kayo pag pinanood niyo po ang Fatherland. Thank you po.
Alright, that was a short and sweet interview. So I believe we'll be seeing you inside. Alright, palakpakan po natin. Muling Indeed, you really look, you're British.
Hi, Paul.
Good afternoon, Ms. Geraldine Jenny. So aside from being an actress, you were a singer, right?
Yes, I'm a singer. I have a song released under Star Music, If I Will Ever Love Again. It's on YouTube and on Apple Music.
Or aside from your beautiful, would you want to hear a little line? Since she's a beautiful singer, would you want to hear her sing this one-liner maybe? Is that okay with you guys? Would that be okay?
Yeah, my upcoming song called Don't Go. It's releasing in 2 months, so it goes like, you said I lie, you screamed, I cry, you packed your things, you wanna leave, you get the car keys and head for the door. Now I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you, please don't go, thank you.
Wow.
So my leading man is si Jameson Blake, and my mom in the movie is Miss Lot Lot De Leon. And kasama ko si Natalie Hart, si James Blanco, at si Dave Bernea and Paolo Gumabao. So abangan ninyo. Thank you. And director Abdel Langit. Where's Abdel is here.
Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Also star the beautiful Hazel Kinochi. Good afternoon, Miss Katie. I love your outfit, by the way.
Oh my gosh, I think that's super underdressed. Nakasuot yung mga kasama ko.
Yeah, but it's really less is more. That's what they say, right?
Thank you.
All right, so Miss Katie, would you want to invite everyone here this afternoon?
Hello po sa lahat. Sana po, supportahan niyo ang movie namin Fatherland. Ayan, hindi naman napaka-star-studded ng ating Fatherland movie. So yun, I hope you get to support more Filipino movies.
At syempre,
At syempre,
may pabulak-bulak.
Joel. Ayan. At syempre, Sir Benria to, Benria Productions.
Syempre
Sir
naman.
Joel naman. So, talagang,
Ibang level.
Ibang level.
Diba? Alright, picture mo na tayo. Sige.
Ako dyan sila, Miss Kylie Padilla, Gabby Concepcion, and a lot more. Sir, na madami. So I hope this me na yan. So sana i-support nila. Yeah.
Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po natin muli ang nag-iisang Hazel Kinochi. Soon, mag-ibida siyang muli sa upcoming film ng Benria Productions. Ang The Graduation Day with your friends. Let us welcome Mr. Jeric Gonzalez. Looking good with your suit, brother. I love the shoes, though.
Thank you, thank you.
They could rock the shoes, right? You should focus on the shoes rather than him. Just kidding. All right, good afternoon, brother.
Sa inyo man lahat, magandang hapon po, and thank you for coming dito sa premiere ng Fatherland. And ito na, finally, we're excited to watch it.
Tell us more of your...
Yes, I am, my character here is Rudy. Isa po akong real estate agent na magsusubok na bumili nung lupa kung saan nagsasaka si Philip, yung character ni Kuya Alan Dizon.
Excited ka na rin mapanoorin yung pelikula?
Yes, of course.
So I believe it's your first time that you'll be seeing the entire movie.
Yes.
Alright. So, if you could describe your movie in one word, what would it be?
It's Filipino.
Filipino. I love that. Alright. So, anything else? Would you want to plug or any upcoming projects?
Yes, I want to thank Betria Productions for having me again dito sa pelikulang to. And sana po abangan niyo pa yung susunod namin pelikula, Graduation Day. It's also from Betria Productions and it's directed by Direk Dante Balboa.
Alright, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po natin muli ang nag-iisang very talented Mr. Jeric. Beautiful. Ang nag-iisang Angel Aquino naman, di ba? I'm starstruck.
Nag-recycle lang ako ng damit ng anak ko.
And you're rocking your sneakers underneath. That is so cool.
Because we're in the mall.
Yeah, actually.
Ang hirap maglakad ng naka-heels.
Alright, good
Forgive
afternoon.
me.
True. Can you show your shoes? I love the shoes though, by the way. Nice. Ooh, that's cool. Anyhow, Miss Angel, good afternoon.
Hi.
How was your Easter, by the way?
Good. It was a quiet,
You went to the beach?
No. Sa
Oh
bahay
yeah,
lang.
because there's lots of people.
Oo, kain lang ng kain.
Parang hindi naman.
Kain ng kain. No karne. No karne.
During the...
Pero syempre.
Alright, I'll take a picture first. Alright, so without further ado, Miss Angel, can you tell us more something about your character in the movie?
You'd be surprised. I play a Muslim woman. Ako yung first wife ng character ni Alan. And so, yun, bilang Muslim kami, so I have to, kailangan kong tanggapin na magkakaroon din siya ng iba pang mga asawa. So, he has another wife and that's in Aras.
Amazing. Is there any projects, upcoming projects that you have? Maybe you could plug?
Oh, that's okay. I'm here to support the movie. Thank you.
Alright. We're glad that you're here. I love meeting the character actors of this country, you know? Good afternoon, sir. Would you mind introducing yourselves again to our friends here?
Lorenzo, my character is abductor of the Alan Diesel, the Chinese here. And Alan Diesel is playing 3 different roles, so it's a very exciting film.
I am a military officer. Panoorin niyo na lang po. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Patuloy natin ang tulitin ang pelikula ng Pilipino. God bless us.
Indeed. Good afternoon, sir. A picture muna tayo kasi busy ka na. Alright, Sir Bill, how long have you been? How was your Easter?
Sorry?
How was your Easter? How did you celebrate your Easter first?
Easter, alright. How was my Easter? Where was I? I don't know. I think I was just home with my family. No, I had work. So I was home. I came to the States for 2 days with my son, 2 weeks with my son for a tour, and then when we came back, I had to spend time with my family at home. So pahinga. Sunday I had work already.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, this is definitely wow, this is something for you to be proud of your son.
Yeah. I really brought this day for him. I'm just really excited because all year last year, this was the only thing that he was doing here, and I was just really excited for it to come out. And finally, it's here. I'm excited for everyone to see it because he really poured out his heart and soul into this project.
Do you have any messages, Sir Piola, to your friends here?
Sana ba magustuhan niyo yung pelikula and please support ang mga pelikula Pilipino para po sa atin. Panoorin natin ang Fatherland. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Alright, palakpakan po natin muli ang nag-iisang talented actor, Mr. Piolo Pascual. I love the suit, first of all. What's that? It's about the movie?
Yes.
Amazing.
Fatherland. They have 3 personalities. So.
Wow.
So, tatlo yung character.
Amazing. Palakpakan naman muna natin muli.
Hello.
So, first and foremost, sir, can you tell us something, a little bit lang naman about your character?
Role ko dito at meron akong multiple personality disorder. So may sakit yung character ko dito. Kaya tatlo yung role ko dito. Isang Kapampangan, si Philip. Tapos Muslim, si Fayez, at saka si Teban, yung last part. Naging bakla ako dun sa film. So, yan. Tatlong story siya. Kaya sana mo, panoorin natin. Enjoy yung film. Yan. Fatherland.
Sir Alex, is there anything, was it challenging to do the film compared to other films that you've done?
Of course. Very challenging role dito dahil yun nga, alam ni Direk Joel kung paano nahirapan ako sa maging bakla dito sa film. And sa support ni Direk Joel, nagawa ko na maayos. Yeah, thank you, Direk.
Alright. Sir Alan, we request for you to please do remain on stage. Alright, so now, ladies and gentlemen, let's call on a very talented young actor, singer, and composer. He portrays Ace Grayson in Fox's Horror, Ibang level to, my dear friends. Hollywood ang level nito. Ang bida sa Fatherland, walang iba kundi ang nag-iisa, Mr. Inigo Pascual!
Hello po, kamusta po yung lahat? Oh my gosh, we're here.
But, wow, I was amazed with your dad. You look like siblings, right? You look so young, actually.
Ako yung kuya.
Ikaw yung kuya, di ba? But anyway, good afternoon, Inigo. Batiin mo muna, of course, our friends here.
Eh, siyempre maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Salamat sa suporta. Siyempre sa pagpunta dito. At sana magustuhan niyo po ang pelikula na ginawa ko namin.
Ayun, so, of course, hindi ko na papatagal ito. You tell us something about your character in Fatherland movie.
This is the first time na gumawa ako ng karakter na ganito. It's my first time doing something heavy drama. I've always been doing, love team, rom-com type of movies, type of projects. And sobrang grateful ako na nabigyan ako ng opportunity na ma-challenge ko yung sarili ko into doing something different from what I usually do.
So, what did you love the most in doing this movie? That question goes to the both of you guys.
Ako yung daddy ni Inigo sa film. Yeah.
Sa akin, favorite ko is working with everyone. I mean, Sir Allen, lahat. I mean, Sir Joel Amangan, our director. Everyone made it such an amazing experience. And I can't believe we're here. I can't believe we're finally at the celebrity screening. It finally happened, and I'm just super grateful.
All right. So that being said, eto na, imbitahan natin na nag-iisang, siyempre, one of the haligi ng mga direktor sa Pilipinas, ang nag-iisang Direk Joel Lamangan! Woo! Only awarded director. Hindi na mabilang ang award na natanggap niya bilang pinakamahusay na direktor. At sa gusto nyo, kilala siya bilang si Roda sa Batang Quiapo. Walang iba kundi ang nag-iisang Direk Joel Lamangan.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Maraming salamat po at narito kayo sa kauna-unahang pagpapalabas ng Fatherland sa celebrity screening. Maraming salamat po.
Alright. Sir Joel, is there anything else that you would want to tell us about the movie? If you could describe your movie in one word, what would it be?
It's so hard to describe it in one word because it's a very complicated one. I hope you will understand it and you will like it. Thank you.
Alright, looking forward to it. And now, my dear friends, of course, wag po muna tayo buba ng entablado. And now, last but definitely not the least, my dear friends, ang pinaka-importanting tao sa Fatherland, siya ang dahilan kung bakit lahat po tayo ay nandirito ngayon. The most kind-hearted, generous, and passionate executive producer we can have. The man behind Pentria Productions. My dear friends, I will encourage you, or you have to really clap your hands as loud as you can for this man, Isa siya sa mga sumusuporta. Kaya patuloy po natin tangkilikin ng pelikulang Pilipino. Muli, palakpakan naman po natin ang mga taong behind this beautiful movie, Fatherland. One step forward, gentlemen. Let's take a picture together. I'll join you guys. Alright, good afternoon everyone. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Are you all excited to be here this afternoon? Come on, you can do better than that one. Are you all excited?
Okay lang po. Makeup artist, Jory Lopez, Ian Merendilla. Production Coordinator, June De Guzman and Jerry Del Rosario. Assistant Director, Abdel Lamit and Roswell Hilario. Sound Design, Emmanuel Verona and Fatima Nerica. Editor, Vanessa Ubas de Leon. Associate Producer Ferdinand Dizon Lapus, Screenwriter Rory Iglesia, Director Joel Amangan, and Executive Producer Engineer Benjamin Austria. Dito na po kayo please for photo op. Then tawarin ko po ang mga actors na involved. Sander Leonardo, Benji Felipe, William Lorenzo, Abed Green, Rico Barrera, Jim Pibanco, Jeric Gonzalez, Ara Davao, Hazel Kinochi, Max Eigenman, Miss Angel Aquino, Inugo Pascual, and son. Unfortunately, wala po si Miss Cherry Pie and Mercedes Cabrera and Richard Yap. So everyone, please. Ang Fatherland po ay isang pelikulang napakadugo namin ginawa ni Direk Joel Lamangan under Ventria Production and Heaven's Best Entertainment. Okay, hingan po natin ng short message ang ilan sa mga artista. To represent the girls, Miss Angel Aquino.
To represent the girls. Hello girls, so what do you want to say? No, but maraming salamat po na nandito kayo lahat. Thank you for supporting Fatherland. Sana pagsabi natin sa mga kamag-anak natin, mga kaibigan natin, that Fatherland is already showing in cinemas worldwide. Worldwide. Bakit naman hindi? Pwede namang mangarap ng ganun, diba? But nationwide, yes. So please, let's support Philippine cinema.
Allen Dizon.
Unang-una po, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito, lahat ng sumusuporta sa pelikulang Pilipino. Especially this Fatherland na pinaghirapan po namin lahat, and of course, gusto kong pasalamatan itong oras na ito kay Direk Joel Lamangan at ating producer kay Sir Benji. Maraming salamat po.
We want to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Papa Hernandez. Mr. Inigo Pascual.
And po, syempre, maraming salamat. It's an honor to be here. I can't believe this is happening. I just want to thank my family and friends that are here tonight with us, and all the press and media, and syempre to be able to reunite with my castmates and our director, of course. Maraming salamat po. Sana po magustuhan niyo ang Panginoon.
Kanina pa ako pinapagalita, Direk Joel Lamangan.
Magandang gabi po. Maraming salamat at narito kayo. Hayaan nyo maya-maya lang mag-umpisa na. Alam kong inip na po kayo. Mapapanood nyo na pa ito at sana'y ibalita nyo sa ibang mga tao na may pelikulang Fatherland. Tangkilikin po sana nating lahat ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Salamat din sa mga Chinese community na nandito, sa mga
All right, so Inigo will be joining us shortly. Did you guys enjoy the movie? Come on, did you guys enjoy? All right, so now we'll be opening the floor for the press people to answer questions from the cast.
From Lacochera Lovers. Question po for Sir Allen. Paano po yung naging process nyo dun sa tatlong characters na pinlay nyo dito?
Yes, thank you po. Unang-una, maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Yung first kasi, talaga ako, Kapampangan. So, yun yung, nakita ko rin kung paano yung maging farmer, nakita ko yung, kung paano si Philip maging Kapampangan at paano yung umiit ang ulo niya. And sa Muslim naman, siyempre kailangan mag-research, kailangan makipag-uusap sa mga Muslim, paano yung culture nila. And may mga coach kaming kinuha, ni Direk Joel, para sa mga dialogue ng Muslim. And yun, yung pagiging yung bakla ko naman, sabi ko nga kay Direk Joel ko rin, siya nagturo sa akin kung paano maging teban. So yun. Ganun kahirap yung role ko dito sa Fatherland. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, mag-entertain na lang tayo na.
But anyway, is there anyone else? Come on, we should take this opportunity to ask the cast. Anyone else from our friends from the media? What about you, sir, the one taking the video?
Kaya, Allen, hindi ka ba nahirapan dun sa character mo na tatlo ang ginampanan mo bilang si Paez, si Tiban?
Nahihirapan, siyempre. Nahihirapan po ako dun sa tatlong character. Siyempre, hindi siya mahirap gawin. Pero, ginawa namin ni Direk, nag-start kami sa Pampanga. Tapos, after nung Pampanga, nag-Muslim. Tapos, nag-Chinese yung Teban. So far, dahil kay Direk Joel, yun nga, kung believe ka sa director mo, mas nagiging magaan sa amin bilang para yun, ganapin yung mga role namin. Lalo na ako, tatlo yung personality ko. Kaya, yun, medyo mahirap, pero dahil kay Direk Joel, naging magaan para sa amin lahat. Ito na si Nico, tanongin na.
Kay Nico po, you're staying in US na ba? For good? And then, paano mo yung consideration of accepting projects din? Yung process na ginagawa mo kung may mga proyekto ka rito sa Pilipinas.
So, did you bring your US passport with you?
Filipino passport po, actually. Para sa akin, kung Direk Joel yun, siyempre, uuwi ako para dun. And siyempre, I go back and forth. It's not like I'm staying in the States forever. I still like to be here in the Philippines. This is where my life is. This is where my family is. So sa akin, I'm glad that I get to do projects in the States and I get to do projects here. But I would still prioritize my work here.
And maybe if the price is right? Of course. Oo nga, isa lang talaga yung mic. Direk, we were requesting for different mics.
But I don't know why they... One last question, okay. We have one? From the press people or from the crowd? ABS-CBN, okay.
Hi, congratulations. I'm over here. I'm sorry. Kanina, congratulations sa inyo. Inigo, you mentioned earlier na you had a lot of firsts dito. Yung nabanggit mo ba is yung last scene mo. And yun nga, you had these nuances na wala kang mo nga.
The US, the microphone.
Dito sa proyecto to, actually, sobrang gipit kami sa oras. I mean, you know, I had to go back to the States, so we had to really finish a lot of the scenes during the days that we were working. And meron kami mga eksena na meron kami masaya. Tapos next scene namin, namatay na yung tatay ko. So alam mo yung parang, sabi ko, handa ba ako dito? Handa ba akong gawin to? Kasi lahat ng proyekto ko, all of my projects before, Love Team, Pa-Cute. So I'm not used to that, you know, I'm not used to doing heavy scenes. If you notice, almost, I think 70% of the movie, I'm crying. And si Direk Joel talaga yung nag-push sa akin na ibigay yung lahat ng instructions, ibigay lahat ng emosyon na kailangan kong ibigay. At kung saan ako nanggaling, ano yung pinanggalingan ng karakter ko. And siguro yung first sa akin is just being able to do scenes that I never knew I could do.
Anyone else? Okay, sir.
Thank you for the film, Direk Joel, and the cast. It was wonderful. Actually, the story of a son looking for his father is very powerful part of every culture. Ang nakita ko po is, hindi ko alam kung mali ako, basta as an audience, what I saw Alan's character was pieces of the Philippines trying to put itself together. Parang, yung iniisip ko, para bang yung tatlong character, yung ba yung Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, di ba? So, nung pinapanood ko siya, at nakikita ko yung anak niya, because as a Filipino-American myself who went here before I became a citizen, before I even wanted to become a citizen, I wanted to know my country. Parang ganun. So, that's what I saw and that's what the story told me myself. So I appreciate the film. Thank you for all your work and the writing. And the writer's not here, right? I couldn't ask him the question, unfortunately. Yes, very well done, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Larson? Our friends from GMA?
Alan, you had 3 characters here. Saan ka talaga nahirapan?
That's a good question.
Doon sa part na si Teban, doon talaga nahihirapan. Parang hindi ako komportable. Pero kay Direk Joel, sabi niya, okay lang yan. May mga galaw akong, yung mga kamay ko, medyo magalaw. So, sabi ni Direk, isang kamay lang na galaw mo. Tapos yung lambutan mo ng konti, landian mo ng konti. Pero di ba, parang, di ba halata? Parang medyo nahirapan ako sa pagiging Teban. Pero natawid ko naman. And thank you to Direk Joel. Yeah.
Mukhang machong bading pa rin no? Pero you did well. Palakpakan naman po natin. No? So anyway, my dear friends, and why don't you give all yourselves a big round of applause as well for joining us for this wonderful celebrity premiere night. of the movie Fatherland. We expect you to share it to your friends and families. And please don't support piracy, okay? Mag-buy po tayo ng ticket sa pelikulang Pilipino. So I'll be passing the microphone to the cast, maybe farewell message from the beautiful lady all the way to you, sir, to the writer, okay?
Well, congratulations to us. And thank you all for being here. Sana nagustuhan niyo po yung movie. And again, yes, share to your friends and to your family. Thank you.
Thank you so much everyone for being here with us. And Direk, super honored ako na nakatrabaho kita. And everyone here, Inigo, share it with your friends. And thanks for joining us again.
Salamat sa oras ninyo and suporta. So, yun nga po. Sana ikalat natin sa mga kamag-anak at kaibigan natin na palabas ng Fatherland and to watch it. Thank you very much. Congratulations, Direk. Congratulations, Sir Benji. And to the cast, congratulations.
Congratulations sa ating lahat dito, no? And I'd like to also acknowledge the performance, no, of Inigo and all the other members of the cast. And also Jim here, who did a good job, and to direct Joel for a wonderful film. Thank you.
Hi po, thank you po sa lahat po na pumunta. Ventria Productions po, kay Direct Joel, Sir Dennis. Thank you po sa pagcast sa akin. Salamat po sa co-actors ko. Ang dami ko po natulungan sa inyo. Salamat po.
Again, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat na dumalo. Sa Ventria Productions na nag-produce itong pelikula, maraming salamat. Sa director, sa mga co-actors, at sa aming writer. Maraming salamat. Sana support the film, please. And all the Filipino films. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you. It's a masterpiece. Parang hindi doon natidilig. Kala mo, bagal ako magsalita. Kaya anyway, parang nahilo ko sa naririnig ko lang. Ayun, Ventria Production, Direct Joel, Sir Dennis, sa lahat ng nanonood, nagbigay ng oras, sa mga co-actor ko. Thank you so much. And yun lang, medyo...
Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta at pag-spend ng time and effort na pumunta dito at panoorin ang aming pelikula. The theme of the movie is so familiar kasi ito yung kasalukuyang nangyayari sa ating bansa. So, nakaka-relate, di ba? So, I'm just really grateful na na-include ako sa napakahusay na cast. Thank you, Sir Dennis, for always remembering me. And it's another masterpiece from Direct Joel Lamangan. So, thank you po and spread the word. Please watch Fatherland.
Hi, I'm Rebecca. My first acting coach in PETA is Direct Joel Lamangan. That was 50 years ago. And at that time, he introduced me to another master director, Lino Broca. So because of that, I was so inspired. So anytime Direct Joel calls me, I'm there. Thank you very much for supporting Fatherland.
Siyempre, ganun din po. Gusto ko kayo pasalamatan lahat for taking the time to watch our film. Ganun din po katulad ng sinabi ng my castmates and the team. Ang hirap ng echo. Maraming salamat, especially kay Sir Ben and of course, Direct Joel Lamangan for bringing this powerhouse cast together, and I'm also extremely honored to have been part of it. Ganun din po katulad ng sinabi ni Ms. Rebecca na anytime Sir Dennis or Direct Joel calls, I'm also there. Congratulations everybody, especially Alan and Inigo. Great job. Maraming salamat guys for being here ulit. And yes, please spread the word. Watch Fatherland.
Thank you for watching Fatherland and supporting Fatherland.
Yes, so maraming salamat po sa lahat and sa aming producer, kay Sir Benji, kay Direk Joel Lamangan, sa lahat ng cast, kay Inigo. Napakagandang pelikula and sa mga kasama ko po, taga Pampanga, nandito, maraming salamat sa support nyo. Sa family ko, nandito rin, sa mga press, maraming salamat po.
Ako naman syempre, hirap. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng nandito ngayong gabi. Love this. Salamat. Sa lahat ng family and friends ko. Salamat of course sa producer namin, Sir Benji and Direk Joel. Salamat sa opportunity na binigay niyo para sa akin. At sana hindi po ito ang huli na magkatrabaho po kami lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Una, gusto kong pasalamat sa lahat ng umarte sa pelikula ko. Very good. You're all very good. Thank you so much. Salamat kay Roy Iglesia to come out of the very good script like this. At syempre, malaking pasalamat kay Engineer Ben Austria for making this film for us. Kung wala siya, wala yung pelikula. At salamat sa inyong lahat. Sana ipamalitan nyo sa mga kapitbahay nyo, sa mga kababayan nyo, sa mga kaibigan nyo na panoorin. Tulungan natin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Kailangan natin ng tulong. Kasi baka isang araw, pag hindi natin tinulungan, mawala na ang ating mga istorya. Iba na ang nagsasalita ng istorya natin. Maaring banyaga na nagsasalita ng ating mga istorya na hindi dapat natin payagan. Magagawa natin yan, mapapigilan natin yan kung susuportahan natin ang lahat ng Filipino films na pinapalabas sa ating mga sinehan. Dati masigla ang panonood ng pelikula. Unti-unti nang hindi sumisigla. Tulungan nating sumiglang muli. Marami pong salamat.
Sa inyong lahat, thank you for coming at saka invite niyo yung mga friends ninyo para panoorin itong Fatherland. So thank you sa mga stellar actors and of course our director. So napakahirap ibuo itong istorya na to kasi 3 minute story. So thank you Direk for napakasipag ni Direk kahit mainit, lahat ng ginawa niya. So lahat ng mga stellar actors, they are very good in acting. So sana suportahan natin yung film industry. So maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Good to see you. Thank you so much. I will. I'll see you next week, yeah? Thank you so much. These are kids? Oh, right there. Hey!
The Cinema House. Cinema 11 people. Alright. Thank you.
Isipan ko ah.
Ayun ang boyfriend namin! Okay, wait lang po ha. Ready, go, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2. O, dito. Okay, dito. Ano dito? Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Wala ba rin? Wala ba rin mo? Pero gusto ko yung sabi niya, mami, may birthday ko siya, binisita. May picture na sila.
Happy birthday.
Birthday mo tayo. Wait lang po.
Swords Kitchen tayo. Hi guys, it's Inigo and the young Inigo family. I want to invite you guys to Fatherland now showing. Sana po supportan nyo. Go.